Welcome to section number 9, which is actually the last theoretical section before we go to our last section, which is conclusion. And here we're going to be talking about concepts in separation technologies. And what do we mean with concepts? Well, overall, we're going to be talking about key components, separation, split fraction, split ratio, all those concepts used in separation technologies that allow us to understand the process separation overall. It allows us to understand whether or not a purification is going to be carried out. It also allows us to know whether or not are we losing much material in the end status. For instance, if you're talking about distillation, you might be getting the so famous purity versus quantity balance. Either you want to have a high purity material, but then you're going to have a very low amount, or maybe you sacrifice purity but you increase total amount of product. That's definitely something to be analyzed here. We're going to be using also heuristics, rules, thumb rules, general ideas or general rules for separation processes in order to know whether or not a process is either feasible or not. There are many go-go and there are many no-goes for this type of rules. And as always, guys, make no worries, engineers have the last word. So whatever rules you may encounter online or you may encounter at your company that they have as a process or something to follow up, you are always going to be selecting the process that best suits for your product, for your type of equipment, for your inlet, for your conditions, okay? And finally, we're going to make some exercises on whether or not a process is feasible or not, depending on its conditions, okay? So let's check it out.